guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope so everyone is good and safe at their homes during this COVID-19. So today we are going to do with problem set 2 of Pythagoras theorem maths 2. Okay, let us do the question number 7. So let us read the seventh question. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. So here there is no figure given. Here we have to draw the figure. So let us draw. So triangle ABC, this is an equilateral triangle. Point P is on the base BC. So BC is our base and point P is on the base BC, such that PC is equal to 1 upon 3 BC. That means PC is 1/3 of BC. Okay, so BC is full and we have to take 1/3 part of it. मतलब 3 parts में divide करना पड़ेगा, है ना? So this part is 1/3 of the whole part BC. And if AB is 6 centimeter, children, since this is an equilateral triangle, all the sides will be of they are equal, है ना? So AB, BC and AC, each of the sides are of 6 centimeter. We have to find AP. So here I have joined AP. So our solution will start with triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Now see what it is written. Point P is on the base BC such that PC is 1/3 of BC. So PC is 1/3 of BC and BC is 6 centimeter, right? So substitute the values, children. So it will be 2 centimeter. Okay. Since we have to find AP, what we have to do? We are going to draw one perpendicular from the vertex A to on the side BC, so that we will use Pythagoras theorem and finally we will get the answer. So let us draw over here perpendicular. Now here, since we have drawn perpendicular AD on side BC, so AD is perpendicular to BC. Okay, it means that BD and DC, they are bisected. Okay, why it is bisected? Because it is an equilateral triangle, and when we draw this perpendicular in an equilateral triangle, the base of the equilateral triangle is bisected. It means that BD is equal to DC will be, this is 6 centimeter, so it will become now 3 centimeter each. BD is 3 centimeter and DC is 3 centimeter. Now you all can see, since DC is 3 centimeter that we got, okay, this is 3 centimeter, and PC we have found, we got it as 2 centimeter. तो बचा हुआ DP कितना हमारा होगा? Yes, it will be 1 centimeter. So we have to show this working over here. So we are going to do it as DC is equal to DP plus PC, D dash P dash C. DC is 3 centimeter. Just now we have found. We have to find DP and PC. We got 2. Substitute. Take this 2 on the other side. So 3 minus 2. So DP will be 1 centimeter. So we got DP as 1 centimeter, children. In order to find this AP, children, see the right hand side, we are going to use Pythagoras theorem twice. कैसे? एक तो बड़ा वाला ट्राइंगल लेंगे ADC, तो हमको ये perpendicular AD मिलेगा. Once we get this perpendicular, then we have the base DP. Again use the Pythagoras theorem for the smaller triangle ADP. Okay, so here after this, after doing so much thing, again we are going to use Pythagoras theorem twice. तो पहला जो हम लोग यूज करेंगे वो होगा Pythagoras theorem कौन से ट्राइंगल के लिए? ट्राइंगल ADC. So children, when we apply Pythagoras theorem in this triangle ADC, okay, so in triangle ADC, angle ADC is 90 degree. Therefore by Pythagoras theorem, this is our hypotenuse. So here we are going to write AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square. Substitute the values. If you see AC is 6, so 6 का square. AD तो हमको find करेंगे तो ही हमको AP मिलेगा. तो keep AD as it is, and DC if you see, DC is nothing but 3 centimeter, right? So here वो हो जाएगा 3. acha, rearrange this. So we will get AD square is equal to 6 6 are 36 minus 3 3 are 9. When we subtract 36 and 9, we get 27 है ना. Taking square root on both the sides, so under root of 27. So under root of 27, अभी तो this is very common, but I will show you again. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. जोड़ी बना के ये 3 बाहर निकला. So our answer is 3 root 3 centimeter. So my dear children, AD is 3 root 3. Now here I am just writing 3 root 3. Okay, so this perpendicular is 3 root 3. We have DP 1 centimeter, and now we have to find this AP. So again we are going to use Pythagoras theorem in this, right? अभी तो समझ में आया होगा. So after this हम लोग वापस पाइथागोरस थ्योरम अप्लाई करेंगे. कौन से ट्राइंगल के लिए? ट्राइंगल ADP. So in triangle ADP, angle ADP is 90 degree. Therefore by Pythagoras theorem, okay, by Pythagoras theorem, AP square, because it will become a hypotenuse, AD square plus DP square. AP square, AP we have to find, so keep it as it is. AD, just now we have found AD, it is 3 root 3 the whole square, and DP we got it as 1 square. Okay, so 3 on root 3 का square हो जाएगा तुम्हारा somewhat 27, बराबर. Yes, and 3 3s are 9 and root 3 into 3, so 9 3s are 27. 1 का square 1. So here AP square will become 28. Now taking square root on both the sides. When we take square root on both the sides, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14, 7 1s are 7. जोड़ी बना के ये 2 बाहर निकल गया. So here AP is 2 root 7. Okay, I hope so. This sum is very clear to everyone. Let us move to the next question, that is 10th question, children. Pranali and Prasad started walking to the east and to the north respectively. So children, here we need to know how our directions, yes, geography, our directions, yes. So because here we have to draw the diagram, so if we know properly, then here it is east, here it is west, here it is north, and here it is south, right? So Pranali and Prasad started walking to the east and to the north. So the two guys, they are walking. One is going towards the north and one is going towards the east. So, and if we join it, it forms a right angle triangle because both of them started from one place, from here. Yes. So let us name to this triangle AOB नाम दे दो, है ना? Okay. They started from the same point and at the same speed. After 2 hours, distance between them was 15 root 2 kilometer. Find their speed per hour. So since they started from the same point, Pranali and Prasad, they started walking and the speed were same. It means that if the speed were same, these two sides will be equal. That means OA and OB, these two sides will be equal. Why? Because their speeds were same. हाँ, तो इसको हम लोग लिखेंगे, हमारा सोल्यूशन कैसे स्टार्ट होगा. अच्छा, आगे देखो क्या लिखा हुआ है. आफ्टर 2 hours, डिस्टेंस बिटवीन देम was 15 root 2. So when Pranali reached at point A and Prasad reached at point B, the distance between them was 15 root 2, है ना. तो हमको उन दोनों की find the speed per hour. So we have to find their speed. So here first of all we need to find के how much distance they have covered, है ना. दोनों ने same speed पे थे. So we have to find, because we have to find speed, and in order to find speed per hour, speed का formula सबको मालूम है. speed का formula है distance upon time. So time तो हमारे पास है 2 hours. We need to find distance. So here by using Pythagoras theorem we are going to find the distance, because from O to A and O to B, we are going to find the distance between the starting point and the ending point, right children? Then only we can use the formula. So let us start with the solution. So our solution will start with Pravanali and Prasad started from the same point and their speed were same, right? So it means the distance covered by both of them, it is also same. So OA is equal to OB. So here I am writing, it is a distance. Therefore, triangle OAB or you can write AOB is a right angle triangle, right? Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, what we will write, that AB square is equal to OA square plus OB square. But since both the sides are same, we are going to write OA square ही लिख दो. AB कितना है मेरे पास 15√2 the whole square. Now 15 का स्क्वायर क्या होता है? 15 का स्क्वायर होता है 225. 15 का स्क्वायर और √2 का स्क्वायर 2 हो जाएगा. So 225 and 2 when we multiply it is somewhat 450, right? So ये हो जाएगा 450 is equal to OA square. OA square will become 2OA square. Take this 2 below 450. So when we divide this, तो ये हो जाएगा 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 2 5 are 10. So our OA is square root of 225 because we're taking square root on both the sides. So OA is equal to 15. Now my dear children, it means उन्होंने distance कितना cover किया? 15 किलोमीटर. OA is 15 and even OB is 15. Why? Because we are finding the distance. So OB is also 15 kilometers. Now since we have to find the distance, we have to find the speed per hour. तो उसका फॉर्मूला तो सबको अभी मैंने ऊपर बताया. Just now I said distance upon time. So just substitute the values. That means 15 upon 2, that is 7.5. So उन दोनों का स्पीड कितना था पर आवर? 57.5 किलोमीटर पर आवर. Okay. So I hope so this sum is also became easy for you all. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, hit the like button and share with your friends and family. Lots of love. Bye bye.